Hey guys, I have a stock for sale. This is the ZK22 for the Ruger 1022. I'm selling it because I need money, gotta pay some bills, and I just got this in and it's not been used at all. So, comes with everything you need. This is all the small screws, all that in the bag. Obviously stock. Also comes with the Magpul polymer rail sections. That's pretty much it. Like I said, it hasn't been used. It's just been taken out of the packaging. Asking 300 plus shipping, which will be about 10-15 bucks. That's pretty firm. But if you have trades or if you have an offer it anyway, because I have bills and this needs to go. So thank you for watching. Oh, and I don't do PayPal. It would have to be a money order or a check of some sort. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.